She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby won't you tell me do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
Stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up the truth is, I just wanna
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Karakichellee, and if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome back to another video. So as you guys seen the whole montage thingy, this was my morning. Like, it is March the 7th, Monday. Like, literally this is the real deal. This is me out of the bed, still have on night clothes, my robe, taking care of the house and stuff like that. Now I was supposed to work today, but I got a phone call stating that I am off today, so I am about to prepare myself to go work out. I'm not sure if you guys want to come with me to do a workout, because it's probably just a simple workout and I didn't want to bore you guys on workouts and stuff like that. So if I do not see you guys in the gym, I will preferably see you guys, God knows, doing what else, because I may say one thing and it is something else, because things change frequently, y'all. So that's just how my life is. It just changes sometimes. So I have to do 2 rig reviews, y'all. Literally, I absolutely like doing hair. Like, I like doing hair, not like physically doing hair on people, but I love to just make my hair look nice, try different hairstyles, put on makeup, put on something cute, and just go. Like, who don't like to do that? Like, I really like to do that. But see, in our area, I'm from Louisiana, it's not much that you can do down here. It's very limited, you know. So I wish that our area had more of like fancier restaurants and fancier little spots where you can just lounge around, or not even lounge around, just mingle and meet different people. It is not like that, or unless I'm not even looking in the right spots or the right places, because sometimes it just be so bored around here. But I know for sure either Friday or Saturday, me and my sister and my brother, we're supposed to be going to this comedy show, and of course you guys are coming with me. I'm so excited about that, because I'm finally being able to get out, because I really don't do much a lot. So I mean, I'm okay with that. Either I do some or I don't, but I also don't want you guys to get bored as well when you guys are actually coming along with me in my life or whatever. But yeah, back to the wigs, y'all. I really like doing wigs, because I don't know, something about wigs and tweaking them and making them look more realistic and just fitting them into your frame of your face, and then styling them. Like, the enjoyment of doing that, just putting a curling iron to the hair, putting curls in it, and just making it look like a different wig with what you got from before. So I really do like that about just taking a wig and transforming it to something else that I really like. So I probably want to start transitioning over to dropping some wig review videos, because that's something that I want to work on toward working with an actual hair company, so I can be able to start showing the girls the styles. Like, y'all really like styles, so I absolutely think that I want to do that. Like, I really do want to drop videos here and there for you guys, and then also incorporate the same things that I've been doing with my health, my skincare, my vlogs and stuff like that. So hope you guys hopefully will enjoy that. So hopefully, I'm saying hopefully, that will be in the works for me this year. And yeah, that's basically about it. But I have been doing a lot of talking. It's almost 4 minutes, and we're about to get this thing rolling again. So I'll see you guys later.